Yeah. I go and get it. I do not cry over hustling. I don't need niggas for nothing. Tell them I'm coming.
It's your girl, Mysterious Brown Angel, and I'm back on this YouTube channel with another banger. If you're new, you should subscribe and like this video if you like. And if you not new, you came for more, I appreciate you. I appreciate your support, and it means a lot to me because, you know, people just don't like supporting nowadays. But I appreciate y'all. So today I will be cooking lamb chops, rice, white rice, and broccoli. So stay tuned for that because, you know, this is my first time cooking lamb chops, and I don't really want to mess it up. But if it messes up, then it is what it is. You feel me? I'm about to cook it up, and we about to test it out. You know, I'm about to test it out. We about to test it out. Y'all about to see. It's just the recipe to these little baby lamb chops. And the reason why I got it so small was because I went to the store late. Every store I went to, no lamb chops in stock. So I had to go to Publix and get me some little baby lamb chops. Y'all see that? Yeah. But stay tuned. I'm about to get right. You clean the lamb chops by putting some vinegar up there. Then you're gonna put some cold water on your lamb chops. Any meat, put cold water up there. Then rinse it real good. So with this lamb chop ingredient that I'm just making up with other mixed recipes, it's not just one recipe, me taking one person recipe, it's just people giving me ideas on what I can use. So I have a lemon. Other people lamb chops are very big. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slice a lemon. Maybe I should, yeah, this size. No, this size is better. And don't put too much lemon juice on your lamb chop. Just put a little bit. Now, nobody said complete seasoning. Someone said something else, but we forgot to get it. Well, I forgot to get it. So I'm pushing P. Why is the spirit? This better be the best.
And I have ever tasted, because it looked like it. It looked like I did my thing.
can't believe I cooked this, y'all. Y'all, don't play with the girl. Like, look how delicious my plate looks. Like, this is on top notch. What? I'm not even a pro chef. Like, what you mean? But let me not talk too soon. I know my crab's good. I know my broccoli good. But I ain't never cooked lamb chops. Now, let's see. Just make some good Atlanta. You done got 3, nigga. No. It's supposed to be half. Oh my gosh. Y'all. This lamb chop is the bomb. Like, it's the bomb. Diggity. Like, I did that. Y'all, I did that. Why do my broccoli taste like lemon? Oh, I know why. Because I put lemon in the center. That lemon soaked up on that broccoli so quick. I'm about to come up there too. Don't leave me down here. Oh, this already booty. You got all my crabs. You know what? I don't care. I'm happy. This broccoli and this lamb chop there. This crab not all that, but I did my thing. Like, I did my thing on this. Like,
Tell them I'm coming. That's for them days I was struggling. Still made a way out of nothing. Bitches be bluffing. They never sat in the trap. They never read what it said. I don't take naps.